Welcome back, Truth Seeker.
Hello, Truth Seekers. Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about Ashton Kutcher and how he's tied in with the snowstorm going in Iowa State, and Donald Trump, and how it's all synced together. This is no coincidence. Ashton Kutcher equals 71. 71 days ago, we will get right to that. Trump equals 47, like Ashton Kutcher is 47 years old. On September 20th, 2001, Bush declared war after the 9/11 attacks, which was 24 years ago. And from September 20th to today is 71 days. Weather warfare is 71. Catholic is 71. There's 32 days left in the year. Iowa State is 32. Snow is 71. Kutcher is 32, like 32 days left in the year. Iowa State won 20-13 today against Oklahoma State. Homestead, Iowa is 2-3. Just like Holy Roman Empire. Amy's, where Iowa State is from, is going to expected to get 8.5 inches of snow tonight. Amy's, Iowa is 32. Just like there's 32 days left in the year. Storm is also 32. Just like there's 32 days left in the year. Storm is 85, like Amy's, Iowa is going to get 8.5 inches. And then from today to Ashton Kutcher's birthday will be 71 days as well. As you can see, 47, 27. Iowa is 48. Just like Donald Trump is 48. Just like Donald Trump is 138. Just like Homestead, Iowa, where Kutcher's from, is 138. Homestead is 45. Just like IHS, the Jesuit motto, Jesus Hominum Salvator. The Jesuit order is 84. Just like Jesuit is 84. As you can see, in Iowa's 24, just like 24 years later. Iowa's 60. Iowa's also 48. Donald Trump is 48. Donald Trump is 60. It was 24 weeks ago since his last birthday. Just like 24 years ago, we declared war on the war on terror. Just like 71 days ago was the anniversary, the 24th anniversary on the war on terror. There you go. Have a good day, Truth Seeker. As you can see, you can literally make Gematria out of anything. I tied Amy's and Homestead, Iowa, the Donald Trump and Ashton Kutcher for a snowstorm. Yeah, wrap your mind around that.